is now closed. If you could make your way to the entrance as soon as possible, please. Make your way to the exits now. However, there is still no vehicle movement. I will tell you when you are so to do.